good news about Jesus as come to Luke chapter 20 from verse 20 to verse 26. Give Caesar in tax. Then they watch Jesus like ark. They hire some money in a secret for go and like say they honest. So if he say nothing wrong, then could have catch him and turn him over to the Roman governor in charge of the area. The informer them question Jesus. Teacher, we know say you talk and teach were right. You're not partial, but you teach the right thing about what God wants. It's right for we pay tax to Caesar, the Roman ruler, or we not for pay nothing. Jesus sit through them trick and said to them, say, show me one money. Who for picture and name depend it? Caesar, they answer back. So Jesus said to them, say, then, give Caesar what fame and give God what fame. Then couldn't trap him with what he said in front of the people them. And then so frightened for hear how he answer. Then couldn't say a word. A Gad Wod Dis. Thank God.